Hey y'all, so I want to show you my gym setup. It's a Gold's Gym XR5. There wasn't a lot of reviews online, so I thought I would make one. This is from a few years back. I just found it in storage, thought I would set it up, and it works really well. And I really like it a lot because it's got 225 on there right now. It holds it great, but what I found was that when I was digging this up out of storage was that it didn't have the little pin right here to hold this up. So I actually made this myself. I went to Home Depot and found all this. So what this is that it's actually an industrial bolt, couple washers on the end, a nut, and then you've got this galvanized steel, I think it's called a nipple. And what I did was that, because if you don't have this on, the little silver piece, this bolt moves. And when you're benching and you come up with this, if you hit that and it goes back in, it can be a pain to try and get that to come this way. So I put that in there, screwed that in, and that makes it very stable, really sturdy. And, you know, it's not going anywhere for sure. And just to make sure you can have this, you know, screwed on there with the washer. And even if you rotate it out, you know, it doesn't even go over. In fact, it goes back. So that's nice. That bolt's a 6-inch bolt. You could probably get away with a 5-inch because there's a little bit of play right there. But I was watching this other YouTube video, and that guy went with a 6-inch for his. I probably should have done a 5, but it works quite well. I did put another 25 on here on both sides, and it seems pretty stable. But right now there's just 225 on there, and it seems to work pretty well. I don't have any complaints. But I just wanted to show you guys that. So if you're, you know, having the same issues that I did, and you're like, what do I do? You know, how do I order this? Because online, you know, the little piece that goes in here, it's like $50 a piece. And if you go on Facebook Marketplace, like everybody wants a ton of money for everything. So what you can do is you can just make it yourself. And it works out great. And the name of this, I've got it somewhere. Yeah, it's right here. That's the galvanized steel pipe nipple. So, not bad. It's a good little home gym that I got here. I like it a lot. And the road to 315 continues. I can get this about 10 times. So I'm probably right there. 310, 305, 315. But, you know, of course I would like to get more. So we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty excited. Thank you guys for watching.